This video shows how to add an audio file. In Notion, I'm using a sample page called Add Audio just as an example, so you can clearly see what happens. On your page, click where you want to add the audio file. Type a / on your keyboard. Type audio. Click audio from the list. A small pop-up appears with options to upload audio or embed a link. Click Choose a file. Before selecting the file, check its size. Hover over the file to see details. In this box, I can see the file size. You can also check the file size by right-clicking the audio file. Then click Properties. The Properties window opens. Here, you can see the file size clearly. On the free plan, files must be 5 megabytes or smaller, or they won't upload. Select your audio file and click Open. Wait a moment for the file to upload. Once uploaded, an audio player appears. Click Play to make sure the audio is working. This is a sample audio file for my Notion tutorial. That's how you add an audio file in Notion.